Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. This is the Beginner Gardening Chronicles. I planted some seedlings, and they were very tiny, and I had no idea I had dropped that many. Look how thick this is. And of course it has, I don't know what that is. That's a volunteer, is that what y'all call it? Volunteer seed. But I planted these in these containers on March 14th. And I believe it's hyssop. I'm not sure. I want y'all to tell me. Now I got these pods or whatever you call these from the community garden that I went to this past um spring, summer. And so I got several of these from the plant, and the seeds are, I don't know if you can see them. You probably can't, but they're in that corner. They've dropped out of the pods here, and they're very tiny. I think it's anise hyssop. I'm not sure. Can you specialists out there, you gardeners, tell me what this is? I believe that's what it is. I'm not certain. I'm not positive. So, anywho, I don't know how to transplant this. It's just so much and so many in here. I think I'm going to take each one of these and put it in a larger container and let them grow up a little taller. Um, they have they don't have a double set of leaves on them yet, so I'm not sure if I should even be transplanting them. But they're so congested in this little container that I'm gonna put them in a bigger pot, and then after they grow up some, get a couple inches or however tall, then I will try to weed them out. But this is, I don't know how many's in here. Gee whiz. And maybe I'm thinking, should I just do one to see how it goes? I think all of them need to come out of these containers. I really do. Just my opinion. I'm not sure. Look at that. That's just a whole heap of a lot. And this one's really packed. So if I put them in my reasoning is if I put them in a larger container, they'll have more room to expand and grow, and then I can possibly separate them. I suppose. So let me grab some containers and go from there. So these little containers aren't too much more bigger, but I figured it'd give them a little room for expansion. Because I don't want to put them in anything pretty. I need to get them growing and ready for transplanting outside when after our last frost date after May 10th. So I just want to get them out of these containers. And I've got a piece of coffee filter, and I'm just going to cut this in smaller pieces just to set down in the bottom of each one of these pots. Cover those holes. They have plenty of holes. Look at that. Good drainage, good drainage. And I believe I got these last season from the Dollar Tree, I believe. It was 3 or 6 for $1. I don't even remember. I know I just saved them so I could reuse them. All right. We'll put some cocoa core coir, is that how you say it? Cocoa core that I've mixed with perlite and some neem bliss. And I'm going to put a little bit in each one. I won't put too much because I need to have room for that. I'm just put some in the bottom. A couple inches in the bottom of each one. All righty. And so should I leave that volunteer plant in there? I have no idea what that is. None. Let me see. Let me loosen this soil. Let's see if I can get this whole thing out. You know, because I want to reuse this, of course, right? If not, I'll toss it. put it in the recycle. But let me see if I can get this whole clump of dirt out. And that way I'm not disturbing these plants too much. Oh yeah. Oh, is that working? I think. Oh, good job. Yeah, that way I won't be disturbing. Oh, flip it over in there. And then maybe, I don't know, I'm thinking of separating some of them now with this soil. No, I don't want to do too much damage. Let me get the rest of this out, put it in there, and then I'll fill it up all around the sides with some more of this soil mixture, cocoa coir mixture. Okay. Should I take this little thing out? You think I can get it out and then transplant it in something else? Oh. I got it out. We'll put that in something else. Maybe I'll put some more soil in here and stick that in there and see what we got going on. Let that grow. Why not? Why not? I don't kill it. A little hole in there. Stick that root down in there. And let's see. Let's see what it is. Give it time to grow, and I'll let you know. If it lives. I might have shocked it. I don't know. If it lives. Get that soil contact with the roots. All right, let's set that one aside. And add more soil to this. Need a spoon or something. Yeah. All right, let me push this soil down. I hope I didn't do too much damage. Oop. Oh boy. Looked like I compacted it a little more than what it was. Poor things. Oh, Jesus. We're going to see. Let me leave it alone. Let's do this next one. See if I can get this one out. And I moistened this soil so that it would be compacted together, so I could get it out in a whole piece. Come on. There we go. All righty. Whoa. I think I'll put some more. Yeah. I think it'd be easier if I put more in here, fill it up, and then just move it to the sides. How about that? I think. There we go. Come on. All right, let me press that down in that soil. Yeah, that was a better job. Okay, some more. Let's do this last one. So I'm gonna add some more. Fill it almost up to the top. Then move it to the side. And let's take this one out. Hopefully I'm doing the right thing. I know, eventually I'm going to have to separate these. Oh, that's not deep enough. Hold on. I'm going to have to separate these because you can't grow them this thick. See if I can push that down. Nope, I didn't make the hole deep enough. Hold on. There we go. Okay, I'll press that down. Sheesh. All right, y'all. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I did this right. Should I have? They don't have 2 leaves on them yet, so I think you have to wait until they get their second set of leaves to separate them and transplant. So I hope this helps. We're gonna see. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you know what this plant is. If it is hyssop, and I'll show it to you again. Very tiny, tiny, tiny seeds. Thank you so much. I got my hands in the dirt. Peace and love. Happy growing. Grow with me so that I can grow with you. Love you guys. We'll see you next time. Deuces. Just going to put a little bit of water in here because the soil was so moist that I transferred it from. Put some light on the subject. So I'm just going to go around the edges and put a little water. I don't want to put too much because that soil was really damp. And then definitely water this one. Okay, wish me luck.